To continue with the significance of responsible selling, we have the last one is the long-term success. So long-term success is the ability of the business to sustain profitability and growth over a period of many years. It is not about achieving short-term gains, but about building a solid foundation for the truth. So ang pangmatagalang tagumpay sa negosyo ay ang kakayahan ng isang negosyo na mapanatili ang kakayahang kumita at paglago sa loob ng maraming taon for many years. Ito yung hindi tungkol dun sa pagkamit ng panandalian tagumpay, yung success. Ngunit ito yung tungkol sa pagbuo ng isang matatag na foundation para sa future na harapin ng isang business. So, some of the factors to have a long-term business success is like we have the strong brand reputation, so well-defined strategy, commitment to innovation, a strong team, focusing on customer satisfaction. Siyempre, pinaka-importante yan kasi yan ang consumer na buyer. So, financial stability, important din. Kasi kailangan yan sa isang business. Because long-term business is not easy to achieve. Kahit ano pang larangan yan, maliit man na business or malaking business, mahirap maging successful. It takes time, effort, lahat. It takes everything. So, it requires like hard work, dedication, willingness to adapt the change. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng sales mataas. May araw na kaunti lang yung sales. May araw na walang problema ang company or ang business. May araw na may problema. So, however, the rewards can be great because business that are successful in a long term are more likely to be profitable, grow faster, and create more jobs. So, maraming nabibigyan ng trabaho, mga ganun, pagka company ang business, at least maraming natutulungan. So, pagka ang isang product naman, pagka medyo okay ang sales, andyan yung nagsisale sila, parang as a give back to the consumer. So, maraming ways para mabalik yung binibigay ng mga consumer sa isang company to be as successful.